Welcome to another MP4Nation.net play and review. Today we have the new HiTune's T68. It's a cell phone that runs on Windows Mobile 5. A lot of people have asked me to do a review on this and add it to our catalog. Anyway, here's the box itself. It's quite clunky, and you see it runs Windows Mobile 5, and it's like having Microsoft Office in your pocket. This particular one, doesn't come with Wi-Fi, but I suspect, the Wi-Fi version's like, having a party in your pants. Anyways, moving on. Let's take a look at the actual player. There's the player itself, but let's take a look at the accessories first. It does come with two batteries. It comes with two 1500 mAh batteries. The phone itself does have a decent battery life. And here's your standard headphones that use that special headphone jack for phones. It doesn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack, unfortunately. It does come with a 2-pin wall charger. It does come with an installation CD and Microsoft Active Sync if you don't already have it. It does have a Chinese language manual, but a English language manual does come on the CD in PDF format, and you get your standard 5-pin USB cable for that you can use for charging and also for file transfer. Let's actually take a look at the phone. Here's the phone. It's actually a nice design. I do like the fact that it does come with a keypad down here. I'm not a big fan of just phones that have only touchscreen. Sometimes it is more convenient to use these buttons over the touchscreen. Anyway, here's the phone. It's actually very lightweight. It's got a nice decent weight about it. It's not very heavy. You have your camera switch, your on-off button, your reset hole here, your volume buttons up here, speaker, and your 2-megapixel camera, your back case here. Anyway, here's the back itself. It does come with a 128 MB memory card. It can support up to 2 GB of memory. This phone is tri-band, so it can basically work anywhere in the world. And here, let's add my SIM card. And my batteries. Even with the battery, the phone itself isn't very heavy, which is quite surprising. And of course, one of the drawbacks of all Windows mobile phones is that when you first start it does take a while to load up. Of course, you're not going to be turning this on and off like your PC. And it does have a 3-inch touchscreen QVGA screen. It's quite responsive. It's a capacitive touchscreen. Surprising more so than, say, the W800 that we have and the Set S1, the HTC clone that I was using. It's far more responsive. It does have a stylus pen here. And much like all Windows Mobile phones that use a standard Windows Mobile, you're going to be using the stylus pen. It has nothing to do with the phone or the screen size. It's just that Windows Mobile, it's not really designed to be being used with your fingers. You can use your fingers for general usage, but for anything more complicated like writing text messages or sometimes choosing options, you're going to want to use this. Anyway, zoom in. The screen is actually surprisingly very nice, very bright. It's got some good viewing angles. See? It's standard Windows Mobile layout. I'm not really going to go in too much depth because, well, let's face it, there's nothing very unique about the user interface. Programs do run quite smoothly on this, no problem. What I'm going to go straight to is show the Point UI interface, because it does run quite well on this, and it makes the video, review a little bit more interesting than just showing the regular Windows Mobile. Again, this does not have Wi-Fi, this version. This phone does come in Wi-Fi also, but the one I'm holding in my hands only uses GPRS. There you go. And Point UI is a user interface that has been built to run on Windows Mobile and it's supposed to be run with your fingers. So, and it runs quite smoothly. No complaints. Alright. And you can just like scroll through your contacts. There you go. It's quite nice. Very smooth, very fast, very responsive. And you know, there you go. You can customize your home like that. Point UI is a very beautiful user interface. It's very well done. It's free to download off the internet. It just runs right on top of Windows Mobile. It doesn't change any of the core functions. Like, so if you go for like text messaging and stuff, it will load up. Well, in this case, it will load up Outlook. So there you go. It runs right on top of it. So overall, this is, you know, if you're looking for something more different, I would recommend using Point UI on Windows Mobile. And there you have it, basically. And you can just exit out of the phone. Anyway, it's a standard Windows mobile phone. There. As I said, there